Hey, what's happening there, guys and girls? Welcome back. So I've got the ZZR1400 out, and if you've been following the channel recently, then you might have seen that the tail light has gone on this bike. So in today's video, we've got a replacement. Let's see how this goes. All right, so just before we go ahead and do the tail light swap on this bike, I'm just going to show you what it's doing at the moment. So you should be able to see that where it's only got half the light showing. The brake lights come on okay, I believe. At least on the one side anyway. I think they're coming on, aren't they? Yeah, so the brake lights are coming on just fine, but obviously you can see that only half of it is actually working. So yeah, let's get this one swapped out. Right, first things first, we've got to get the seat off, so let's do that. I'm going to take this out as well. This is just a little toolbox that comes with the bike. I'm going to take this off. This box is mangled as well. Probably get a new one at some point, but yeah, let's get that out so we've got a bit more room to work. Looks like I'm going to have to give up taking that one off, unfortunately, but let's get on with taking off this fairing. This one actually has a light here for the alarm system, so I'm actually going to leave that one attached there like that, I think. Now this is where it becomes a real pain, because we've got two screws here and on the opposite side, and the only way to get to them is by taking some of these bits off. Now it would be nice if I could take this off, because it would be a lot easier, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to, but might have to. See if I can get this one off somehow. Yeah, this is a nightmare. I don't want to use WD-40 just in case it gets on the brakes. Looks like someone else broke off the other one as well, so that's what I might have to do. Just break it. I don't want to do that though, if I can help it. So I need to take this off. Underneath that there's the ECU, which I need to take off as well. Otherwise I can't access these screws here. I mean, I might be able to access them actually without taking any of this off. I don't know, I'll see if I can get a screwdriver in there. Oh wow, I can. I can actually get a screwdriver through to the other side. I mean, that is going to be annoying though when I come to put it back on again though, that's the thing. Alright, let's get this other one off as well. Got this thing here which might be beneficial to take off, we'll see. Maybe I don't have to. I'm trying to thread a needle there. So I've got two of them off, but I can't get the last one because all these gubbins are in the way. And I can't get this bloody box off. Might have to get a Dremel to this bolt. That might be the only way. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Get a Dremel to it. This bolt here won't come out. This one won't come out. So it's like, so hang on, if I lift this, so you see those things there?
Yeah, it's you.
So, no, so those things are what keep the bolts in, but this one, on this side here, is just spinning in its hole. So I can't actually get the bolt out. So I'm gonna have to cut it with a Dremel. I'll cut the end of the bolt off, and then I'll slide the box out. But
Place it in.
well, there's two other bolts that are holding the toolbox in, so I don't think I'll need them. But yeah, it's just a bit of a pain. Yeah, not sure who worked on this last, but they've broken one of them, and then the other one looks like they've got the wrong bolt in. So it's a bit annoying. There you go. Ow, it's hot. There you go. Have to get the damn thing off, but that's the bolt there. Yeah, I had to cut the damn thing off, unfortunately, but you can see where one of these is already broken as well. These two are okay, but that one's broken. Now that we got this off, all of this should come out fairly easily as well now. All of this should just come out as one unit. There we go. That can come out. There we go. And I've got my screw back as well. There we go. Right, there's the last screw. And this should just pop off. And then that there is the connector. Let's just unplug that one. There we go. Right, that's the old unit. Looks like it's got water damage somehow, look. You can see it in there, that's probably why it broke. That's interesting, yeah, it's got water in it. I can see the water coming out. How odd. So this one isn't watertight, so yeah, that's probably why this one broke. Okay, that's a bit annoying because what's the bet that the other one will break as well because of the same thing. Very, very interesting that. But anyway, it doesn't matter, let's get the other one on and let's see how we get on. I'm not going to bother with the integrated indicators. Not going to bother with those. Right, I suppose before we go any further, we should probably turn the ignition on and see if this light actually works. Okay, the whole light's working. Good. Let's try out the brakes. Yep. Yep, we're looking good. Right, so it's basically the exact same process, but this time in reverse, getting everything back on again. So let's go ahead and do that. These alarm wires are getting in the way. That is annoying. Oh, bollocks. I get the impression that these are not very good lights. Can't believe it. I've actually broken off the plastic thread where the screw's supposed to go in. It'd be alright with just two, but oh man, that's annoyed me. Okay. Right, these bloody wires, man. They're being an absolute pain. Well, maybe I can salvage it. Maybe there's some threads at the bottom. No, it doesn't look like there's any threads at the bottom. So it's like as if the screws are too big for this unit. okay, well, that's how it's going to have to be for now, I think. And maybe at some point I'll get another one, but that's annoyed me. That's really annoyed me. I mean, it's on there and it's on there okay, but yeah, it's like the screws for this model are too big. God damn it, what a pain. Right, let's keep going with the build anyway. Too tight at all. That's probably why the other ones broke. Someone tried doing them way too tightly. Right, might as well test it one last time, make sure the light works. Good, all good. I don't know if you can see, but the fit and finish on this particular unit isn't that great. There's a gap here, and there's also a gap on the other side, but it isn't as pronounced. Yeah, because the other one I had actually fit flushly along all the fairings here, so that is a tad annoying. Right, well there you have it, guys and gals. A tail light replacement for the ZZR1400. This hasn't actually been that good of an experience, unfortunately. One, because of the toolbox, yeah, and of course of this particular light doesn't have the right fit and finish. You can see the gaps in there which the other one didn't have, so I might be forced to get myself another one at some point in the future. But I mean, the job's done, the light works, which is great. Hopefully I don't get that light damage, or the water damage rather, that I got on the old one. But yeah, I mean, hopefully that's helped you out if you are looking to do a tail light replacement on this bike. Then hopefully this has given you a bit of insight into how to do that. But yeah, let us know your thoughts down in the comments, guys and gals, and yeah, we'll catch you all in the next video. Have a good one.